Hello.
Hello.
Sir,
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Anyone will know why this particular dialog box will come.
It's a tool tip, I guess.
No.
we haven't saved the.
Yeah, maybe we didn't save before when we used it.
Yes. Maybe for example, previously we may used Excel and we didn't save that particular work. So now we closed that Excel and it went gone. Now we recently opened, right? At the time it will show. It will ask the document recovery task pane contains some recovered files that have not been opened. Would you like to view these files the next time you start the Excel? This is an unsaved work you are asking, so it is asking you want to see the next time also when you are opening the Excel. Why? Because it is feeling like that we started something and we didn't completed that particular work, right? It is asking us, is your work need to be done in the partial parts, or your work is done and that is useless for you. You don't want to keep that particular file or that particular instance in the Excel in my memory. It is asking for me, for us. If you're not sure, you want or don't want, don't remove that particular one. Just I want to see, I want to view this file later, and you can close this. That's it. Okay, right. Now today I'll show you. I'll collect some data from. Second, 1 second. If you have Excel, you can also open. I'm just sharing one specific data set with you. Okay, this is the data which we're going to work now. I'm sharing this data with you. And the 3 groups I'm sharing.
Sir, are you talking anything? Because I can't hear
No, no,
anything.
no, no, no. I'm just sharing the file with you.
Okay.
I shared in this particular 10 o'clock batch, and the previous batch I'm sharing. And Selena, sorry, Saloni, you have you're there in any one of these 2 groups?
I was supposed to be in the 10 o'clock one. So I got the sample you sent right now,
Sir,
the
this
10
is
a.m. to
the
11:30.
sir, this is the same file like 2 days before the sample one which you shared. Is this the same one?
Mm, I think it's no. I hope little changes will be there. You can download this one.
Okay.
Once everyone downloaded, please let me know.
I did, sir. Done.
Okay.
Sir, can you please share on the chat box as well?
Mm, 1 second in the chat box. I'm
Yeah,
able to
because
attach.
the WhatsApp is on my cell phone.
Mm, in chat box, we can
Here
add.
in here, if you can, yeah, it will be easier. First,
Mm,
we have to mail to our email ID and then open it on laptop.
So no, I meant to say like
WhatsApp
you
web and then
you can open WhatsApp in your.
yeah, you can
Laptop.
yeah, WhatsApp
Yeah.
web on your laptops and then you can download it from it.
Oh, okay. Let me try that one. The web version of
Yes,
WhatsApp,
right.
right? Okay, okay.
Yes.
You have to scan the barcode and then
I have 2 numbers, so this is, I don't know. Let me see.
Okay, you can try your ways. Now we'll start. This is the data, right? So no, we have a lot of columns here up to you. And approximately we have 7,913 rows of data. We have 7,914 rows of data we have.
This one is
I think it is.
Maybe it's wrong
It is.
because the row ID is
Row
not in a
ID is
specific order.
different and the row number.
Order
is
ID is
different.
different.
Um,
How many records we have? We have
8,400.
8,399.
Yeah, 8,400.
8,399. First,
No.
first one is the column headers, right?
Column name. Okay, yes, 8,399.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, how many columns we have in this particular one? Up to you. 21 columns. Okay, right. Now anyone can able to tell me what is the unique feature to identify each and everything
Order
record.
ID, row ID.
row ID?
No, it's not.
Or unique one,
Sim-
sir, you said.
Yes,
Okay.
I mean, generally we'll call it as a primary ID, right? For example, like
Primary.
employee ID or
We can
Aadhaar
say,
card or
yeah,
PAN card.
yeah. We can say here.
Which one?
Order ID, I think, is the best one.
With the ship, no, it's not.
Order
Sir,
ID, with the order ID, because this is related to most of the order ID, sir.
Okay, I'll tell you the logic. For example, you're purchasing something from the Flipkart. Okay, you selected 4 or 5 products. Okay, you added all those products into the cart, and the order ID for all those 4 products is only one, right?
Okay.
Your order ID may be duplicate because of multiple products are selected in that particular order.
Product product name, sir. Can we make it as primary?
Just try to see. So first you need to go through the what type of data we have in our cart. Row ID, order date, order, priority, quantity, sales, discount, ship mode, customer name, shopping cost, customer segment, product subcategory and product name, margin and ship date.
Okay.
Okay, here it is, there is no, I mean to say like, it is, there is no for this particular validity. Row ID is just a record information. That's it, right? Here what I'm doing, if you're able to see these triangles, these are the filters, right? Defaultly these are came along with the data when I downloaded it, and you're also able to find this particular thing. Where you will generally apply the filters, most of the people will know. You're able to see editing part is there, right? In the ribbon, this entire part is called as a ribbon. This entire part from this particular name box is there, right? And this is the formula bar, formula editing space. This above all, this entire part is considered as a ribbon, toolbox or ribbon, we'll call with the multiple names. Okay, so what we need to do, this is a specific menu which will be used for to do manipulations and to do some kind of operations on the data specifically, and generally those are used by the most of the users. You can able to identify. Previously yesterday we saw how to do sum. Okay, like that. Just you see, this is the sort and filtering tool kit. If I want to say sort and filter, we can filter in a multiple ways. We can filter by using radio buttons and selecting options and like that, and sorting also, ascending to descending, and alphabets A to Z, Z to A, like that we can sort. So now already filters are applied at here. So now if I want to remove all those filters, what I need to do, I need to select the entire row. So now how you're going to select the entire row and entire column? You need to go to the corner is there, right? If you want to select the row, you need to go to this particular place and you need to click the space. Then it will select the entire row. There is no limit for it. If you see, for example, if you see here, for example, you can think like that. So I selected it here. The entire row will be selected. But this is not a good selection method. What you need to do, you need to select up to where the data is available, right? For that, what you need to do, just select the starting point and you need to click Control Shift and right arrow. If you are starting from the left, you need to choose right arrow. Once again, I'm saying, for example, if you want to share your data from here to end, or otherwise here to end, otherwise here to end, what you need to do, you need to put your cursor at there and you need to select that cell, and after that you need to use Control Shift, and in your top arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow will be there, right? You need to choose the right. Why? Because up to end I want, right? So that is the reason. I don't want this operation. I'm going back. Okay, see. Now I'm seeing this. Now you know what I'm doing. So no, I want to select from here to down entire my data. Control Shift and down arrow. From here, I want to select top. Control Shift up arrow. But generally, this data when you are doing this particular up select, you need to be careful. Why? Because the header also will be in a selected mode. You need to be careful with that. Okay. Okay. You're able to hear me, or?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm just trying it out.
Okay. Please try it. Please try it. Why? Because if you're facing any problems, and you no need to do any extra time to spend on it.
Sir, so you said when we are doing this up and down arrow thing, you said the header, like if you say the product category, you're selecting the whole column, that one. If the customer segment or the name of the column to even that will get selected, no, sir? So just to
Yes,
take
right.
it,
Yes, right. To how you're going to do, you need to just select the control and you need to click on it. It will unselect. For example, just see. For example, you selected all these.
okay.
By using control, you just need to click this one.
So you just pressed control, that's all?
Control and use your mouse to unselect.
Okay.
And we can do scroll down, so it already like
You can scroll
automatically.
down also.
Yeah.
You can scroll down also. Why? Because what will happen if you scroll down? If you are not able to drag it properly, then what will happen? The entire selection will be, you are going to lose your entire selection. For example, you feel like that this is only 5,000 or 6,000 rows. If you feel like that 1 lakh or 2 lakh records, you will scroll. How much time it will take to scroll down?
Yeah, it's
Entirely.
too much time. Yeah.
Can you just show once again how to only select the details of the customer
Okay.
segment without selecting the header of the?
Okay, right.
So we can do like
Okay, see.
control.
Okay, I selected these 4, right? I don't want the first one. And I'm selecting. You selected the entire selection, right?
Okay.
Okay. If you use shift, it will come to there only. For example, if I want to remove from my selection 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, then what I need to do? See this one. See how many are selected?
Oh, 3 are selected, and so the highlighted one, the first one didn't get selected.
No, not like that. Just see. Okay, this is your entire selection.
Okay.
Right? This is your entire selection. You want to remove one specific thing.
So, but the data also.
If you use this way, you are going to lose the data.
Yeah.
Okay. Another way is,
What did you do, sir? You went to the top one and you just
control, and what are the things you don't want? You can select. Control and mouse click. Control and mouse click. Just you see. So for example, in orders, I'm going. I want to select this. 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 Copy it. You're able to identify. These are the different selections. If you select just a one thing at here, and if you select it here, automatically the selection will come down. But if you want to select this and this, you need to click the control and need to hold up to completion of your selection.
Okay.
And you need to go to the mouse click.
Oh, okay.
Okay. If you want to unselect, just take it any place and you can just click on it. Now, I want to remove the entire filters from this particular thing. What I need to do? I need to select this row, entire row. So see, if I am scrolling, how much time it is taking. I directly use this particular bar and I'll move to top. Just see, I'm selecting the filter. If you see, filter is highlighted.
Yes.
Why? Because filter is already applied. You need to click on it. All the filters have vanished. See this one? Why this particular first row is not moving?
Because we freezed it or something.
Yes,
I-
absolutely. How you will freeze?
You will go to
Freeze as in I didn't get what are you trying to do is?
Okay, I'll
freeze
tell you.
panes, which is there, yeah, on the in the toolbar.
See this one? This is the header, right? This is the header, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
So for example, if we are observing any records, it also moving along with the records. Then we
Yeah.
don't know what is this, what is this, what is this.
Yeah. We
For that
forget.
purpose,
Okay.
to proper utilization, we have the freezing option.
Okay. We can
What we
freeze
want
it
to
also.
freeze, we need to select it, or
Mhm.
otherwise directly we can go to view. It is nothing but a visual feature, right? So that is the
Yeah.
reason you need to go to the view tab.
Okay.
And after that, you can able to arrange. You can able to go this particular tab where you're able to see freeze panes.
Okay.
You need to select it and freeze panes, top row, freeze first column, or a specific row and column also you want to freeze. What I
Okay.
want to freeze? Only the top row.
Top row. Okay.
Now see this one, that's
Mhm.
fixed,
Yeah. Now it's easier to view the data. Okay.
right? So we can able to see whenever we want to see, we can able to see. Okay. Along with that, if you want to freeze column also, see,
Sir,
each and everything is moving, but only the first column is not moving. Row ID. If we want to see the features related to it, up to here only. If we move from here, we don't know for what ID, what row ID we are looking about the data. Sorry, someone is asking something. Hello.
Is it frozen for me or all of?
So I muted the guys.
Oh,
So
okay,
I'm in
okay,
just a
okay.
call. Okay, right. So now you're able to see. Someone are asking something about what? May I know? I hope it's Raji.
No, it's not me. No, it's not me.
Okay, you understand what is the meaning of freezing column and freezing row?
Yes.
Okay. Now try to apply filter. Once you try to remove that thing and try to apply the filter.
I'm able to do both the things.
What you are not able to listening and practicing?
No, no, no. I'm saying I'm able to do both the things.
Okay, right. So now I'm giving some time up to you need to habituate right to that. Okay. Now I want to sort all the data with help of row ID. What you will do? All the data. So if you observe, row ID is not. I'm feeling like that it is something. Some IDs are missing and some IDs are not there, or otherwise all are there in a proper order but missing with something.
We can go to
Can you
data
please check?
and then filter. Put a filter.
Okay.
Can you
Data.
custom sort?
Sir,
So okay.
okay.
Filter.
Filter. I need to go to filter.
Yeah, now you can. Yeah.
Okay.
Find out.
Now.
Yeah, search. Go to the search and whatever row ID you want to search for. Yeah, sort also. Okay, you are saying by number. Yeah.
Maybe we can use a function called a custom sort.
Custom sort.
Yes.
What it is? What it will give?
Sorting like sort by, there is an option sort by, so you can select the different options.
Okay, we'll discuss that thing afterwards.
Sir,
No, we can sort based on the 2 columns and 3 columns also.
sir, the thing is like my laptop got stuck and I have to enter again. So the thing is, sir, for you it is showing, I don't know, I missed some last 3-4 minutes class. But when I'm trying to do the filter thing in my Excel, it is not highlighted, sir. Why? I did highlight the one which I want to freeze it.
Okay, I meant to say like I understood what you're saying. So so this is in a bold format. So you're asking about this?
No, I'm asking like when I'm trying
Freezing?
to freeze the header thing.
Okay.
My freeze panels or panes are there, right? For you
Yes.
it is showing it is highlighted, right? Mine is
Yes.
not highlighted. I don't know why. I'm trying to do it, but I can't.
View option. You're able to see this particular toolbox tool menu in your tool ribbon. You're able to see the freeze panes option.
Freeze panes option I can see in the view menu. The thing
Okay.
is, the freeze panes to do the Dropbox also, the freeze panes, it is not highlighted for me to, did you get what I'm saying? Because
Okay. Right. Then you can do one thing. There are two possibilities. One is maybe once you need to close your Excel and you need to open it.
open it.
And
Okay.
another one is you need to select the entire sheet once and need to move to this particular pane.
Oh, entire sheet. Oh,
The entire sheet.
okay.
So just some sort of compiler issues will be there in the processors and the operating system. At the time, some of the features are not able to load from the software package and source code. Excel has thousands and thousands of features, right? So no, those features may be not able to load and not able to applicable.
So, okay, I'll try this. I selected the. No, even if I select the entire thing.
Anyone
it
are facing?
It is saying like, okay.
Okay, what it is saying?
The command is currently disabled. This is not available in protected view. So what
Okay,
is,
maybe the protected view. Okay, right. Your document is in a protected view. For
Okay.
example, just you need to see protect the sheet. So now you can select that particular sheet and once check, is it in a protect sheet or unprotected mode?
okay, I will check it, sir. Okay.
Which mode it is?
So which one did you check to see the protect view?
So no, right click on the sheet.
On the sheet, I'm doing
This is an
this.
unprotected one. So that is the reason it is showing lock. Protect sheet, it is asking.
So you just clicked on the without highlighting, okay?
Yes, just I showed, that's it. The hover.
Why this is not moving at all?
Anyone are facing this type of problems?
Sir, I have a question. How can we select the row, entire row with like shortcut, like?
Okay, right. So
Yeah.
just you can go to the starting and you can
Yeah.
select,
Uh-huh.
you'll get an arrow symbol. Just click, left click.
Left.
Sir, for me, can you just show where you're pressing the right? Because I didn't select anything. And I'm just pressing the on the sheet.
Yeah. Okay, not on the sheet. You're able to see the sheet name below,
Yes.
left below.
Yes.
Okay. Left below, right? You need to just right click on it. You need to just right click. Right there, this particular toolbar will be open. Tab colors, hiding the sheet, protecting the sheet, renaming the sheet, insert any other sheet, or moving the data from this particular sheet to another sheet.
Okay.
You're not able to see?
So because for me, it's showing orders, returns, and users, something like that.
Yes. So you used movie? Yes. For
It
me
is-
also, it is showing the same thing.
But it is not letting me, even if I'm pressing right, it's not letting, it's not doing
okay.
anything actually.
Okay, right. Maybe you, when you're opening this particular Excel, you didn't selected enable editing when you're opening the file. Maybe that is the one reason.
Then I'll switch, I'll close it and I'll
Enable
open.
that one, maybe.
Yes, first when you're opening that Excel sheet, you need to enable that enable editing.
Yeah.
So can I do
otherwise
it
you're
in
not able
this, edit? Okay, I will close it and I'll
to.
open.
You'll close it and you'll open it. When you're in your opening itself, it will ask you, and it will show you one specific location to do that particular thing.
Okay.
Just to check. And anyone have any other questions? And one more thing. So now if you are asking, someone asked me, right, how to select the entire row. This is a one way, but I don't prefer this particular one. Why? Because it will select the entire row. Not it doesn't take care about how up to how much length our data is there. But what we need to do, so we need to select all the rows up to our data will be there, all the columns up to our up to how much length our data is there, that much length we need to select. Just see, by selecting the first cell from where and up to where, you need to just select Control Shift right click, exactly up to where our data will be there, up to there our selection will be happen. I'm going to select one limitation is there for it. Anyone can guess? Anyone can
Answer,
guess?
I got it.
You got it?
Yep.
Enable editing. That is the
Yes,
issue.
yeah, that's the issue. I
Okay,
closed it and I opened it. I did enable the things when I'm doing this, but I don't know what happened.
Okay, right. Now, anyone can able to guess a wild guess for this limitation of the shortcut? So if I want to select from here to end, I'll select just Control Shift and right arrow.
Okay.
So, okay, one limitation is there for it. Anyone can guess? If any empty cell or if any missing value is there, it will stop with there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah, I can see in S cell. It's
Okay, got it?
Mhm.
So now in that type of situations, you need to select this selection.
Like arrow one.
Yes, right. The same thing will be applicable in the column selection also.
Okay,
If you don't want to select the header name, you need to go to the first data cell and you need to select the entire thing. Just I'm replacing this particular thing. Okay. Okay. Everyone are comfortable with this?
Can you repeat what you're saying about if you don't want to select the header? Can you repeat that?
Okay. You need to select the first data cell where you
Okay.
want to select
Okay.
and Control and Shift and down button.
Okay.
Okay, you don't try to do if you have a more number of pages or more number of thousands of records. Scrolling will kill the time and your finger will be
One more time,
try to use this.
when you said that if there is a blank, then it
Ah.
won't go ahead. Then what to
You
do?
can you can go to here and you can select arrow. It
Okay.
doesn't think about anything, it will select the entire column.
Okay.
Okay, now I want to select these three columns entire. How I'll do?
You,
Shift and
LMN.
you'll go to L and you'll just pull it till N and Control Shift down arrow. Will it not work like that? Oh, okay.
Let me check.
I need to click that particular cell
maybe fine.
and need to drag with my mouse.
Yeah, I select 3 cells and then Control Shift and
And
down
Control
button.
Shift and down. Yes.
Yeah, it's work.
Okay. Now another way also there. If you want to select this and this by clicking Control, and you can select these two cells without dragging. Just selecting the cell Control with Control selection. Control, click the Control button and select this particular cell. Select this particular cell, and now click Shift down arrow.
Okay.
You observe the difference?
Dragging is not there.
No. What is the difference?
The L1
The selection is not
not-
the entire selection.
yeah.
See this one. From here to, by using Control, I selected this one.
Okay.
Now I use the Shift
Shift
down button.
down. Okay.
Okay, only one.
Only one record from L and remaining all the records from the M.
Oh. Yes.
Okay, just see.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, if you want to select multiple rows, you need to drag up to here. And you can use Control Shift down to select entire these things. If you want to select the entire sheet, you need to click at the left side top corner. You're able to see, right? Triangle symbol.
Yes.
It will remember the difference between the data, entire data selection and total sheet selection. This will select the entire sheet, not the entire data. Entire data is a subset of the entire sheet. Okay, but if you want to select the entire data, what you need to do? Only the data. Only data. What you need to do?
You're asking to select all the data.
Yes, right. All the data only, not the emptied cells and columns. Just right click and shift right arrow and down arrow.
Right. Okay. What we have to do? Like,
So now just see. So now this is the starting cell from the data, right? So now I'm just using Control and Shift. I want to select the top right, right? So that is the reason I'm using right key, right arrow.
okay.
It will select up to end. From there onwards, I selected all these columns, but at the end also I want to select. So that is the reason I'm using down arrow, entire data. Okay. Just see here, you're able to see. Okay, from here I'll see right symbol and down.
Yeah,
Just it's a how much area of the data you want, that much time, that much place you need to move.
Yeah, plus right.
Yes, first you need to select right, and after that you need to select the down. Otherwise, you can select the from here to I need to up from here to left or down. It's just like a drawing. From which part you want to select, you need to use that arrow and down, or that arrow and up. For example, I don't want to select the down. From here, I want to select up.
I think I am.
Just you need.
I have to drag down using the down arrow key.
Okay.
What I am doing wrong is I first selected the column and then I press shift and right key.
No, Control and Shift.
Control and shift. Okay.
Control and Shift. You need to keep hold Control and Shift. Then you can use arrows. You can able to easily understand. For example.
Right. And down. Okay, now I got it. Got it.
Got it?
Yeah, sorry, I missed the control button. That is
No problem. Each and everyone are comfortable in the selection?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm implementing this filters once again at here. Okay, now I want to see that. Is there any null values? No, no null values. Okay, right in the row ID. Why? Because you need to remember row ID is freezed. Okay, so now what I'm doing. Now the selection got vanished, right? Once again, if I selected this particular freeze, selection got, see, check. Header freeze also gone and column freeze also gone. Okay, now just I want to freeze these particular things. You're able to see?
Hmm.
Okay, I don't want these things. Okay, I want to freeze this particular thing. Are you able to see? From here onwards, nothing is moving. This is the use of freeze panes. When you're doing any analysis, maybe we need to look into the order ID and we need to look into the order priority for each and every other features.
Sir,
What is the order he purchased? Yes, tell me.
you freezed two columns, right? Order priority and quantity.
When previously,
Yeah, and
okay.
that is not, can you do that again?
That is not only two columns. From
Okay.
there, all the left columns are freezed.
From A to F?
Yes.
Now you unfreeze.
Unfreezed, right? Once again, I'll apply. See, each and everything is in unfreeze mode.
Okay.
Okay. Now see, I just selected E column and go to the freeze and freeze panes.
Okay.
Okay. Now you see.
But you selected only E and you froze that one, right?
Yes, right. See the difference. I'm unfreezing it. Okay. Now see, I'm selecting D and E. Okay. I'm freezing it.
Okay, you're scrolling it. Okay.
When I'm scrolling, what is happening? You need to remember, up to our selection, it's going to be freezed. Even though if you select one column or two column, it doesn't give any matter. Up to your selection, it will freeze. I'm unfreezing it.
Okay, got it.
Anyone have any confusion at here?
Okay, got it, sir.
And now here I am selecting this
Mm-hmm.
and freeze pane. See?
Okay.
So actually 9th record is my freezing point. But up to where where it is, these are considered as a freezing? Up to 8th record, 8th row ID. That is a boundary. Beside to that boundary or doesn't move. Along with the boundary are moving. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone will be comfortable to use the freeze panes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because for data analysis, this is the one thing you need to know. Why? Because definitely we need to know the header names. At any cost, we need to know what is this particular measure, what is this particular field. Okay, right. Now I'm unfreezing this entire thing. Okay, and I'm just freezing only row, top row, right? Now I want to see the product container as large box. I'll just unselect all and I'll use large box. In the default selection, you will get how many records will be there. How many records are there in the selection?
It's 407.
No. You need to see. You need to see that in the left side down. 406. 406 of
okay.
8399 records.
8399.
Okay, in the total 8399 records, 406 are related to that particular filter condition.
How did you say 83? Okay, 8,399. Yes, sir.
Yes, it
So,
gave
but what is this large box and why?
product container. That is a product container name. Product container it is. Product
Okay,
name.
so
That is a name. product container. Just I'm to explain this. I
Okay,
selected
I
this.
got it. Okay.
Got it. So to clear this filter, either you can select all or clear filter from the product container.
Okay, it
You'll
is
get all the
taking
things.
what all names are there in the data, it is putting into the filters.
Yes, right.
Okay.
You see, it is showing it here with the
Okay.
clicks. You can select what you want to see.
So if you select, yeah, the jump, what all are there, only those will be selected?
Yes,
Jumbo box and jumbo drum. Okay.
yes, those only I selected.
So, and where do you see the results, sir?
So now you see left hand side down, 1156 of 8399 records found. Those two combinations, either jumbo box or jumbo drum, will contain 1156 records.
Okay, I'm just trying. I just want to see.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay, got it. It's showing left side down.
Yes, right.
Okay.
So now if you want to remove this particular filter, you need to clear the filter.
Okay.
Okay, this is the way you can apply multiple combination of filters. For example, just you see, I'm selecting the high priority goods first of all, critical priority. First of all, how many critical? 60, not 8. Okay, in that I'm looking for what is the sample name, company, province, region, customer segment. Okay, I'm checking like that customer segment. In customer segment, consumer, corporate, home office, or small businesses. I'm looking for which one is very important. I feel like that consumer is very important for me. So that is the reason I'll take priority as a consumer. With a very critical and related to consumer, 310 products are there. Okay. I'm feeling like that product subcategory and product category. So I'm feeling like that furniture, no problem. We can send it very lately also. Office supplies and technology. Technology, maybe I can feel like that it's a phone or laptop. That is very important. So now I'm feeling like that I'm giving preference to that technology. 69 are there. You can able to see 69. One is critically required and consumer and technological product. 69 records are there with these three conditions. Now, what I want to see. So okay, these 69 records are my first priority to send. So here my intention is you can apply multiple filters on the multiple combinations. It's not like that. If the data is not there means you don't get anything. That's it. For example, 69 records are there, right? I'll choose nothing. Only 0.5 I will select. These are the two products with a 0.5 margin. You got it? You can apply multiple combination of filters. Okay, and you're able to observe a specific different sign will be you're able to see filter is applied on that particular column. Anyone can identify the difference? Where you applied filters, where you didn't apply the filters. On which columns you identified applied the filters, on which columns you didn't apply the filters.
Yes, sir. If for customer segment, product category, and product base margin, you applied filters.
Okay, you're able to see a different symbol at there
Yeah.
along with the remaining other columns. If you compare with the other columns,
Yes.
available filter is a different thing from the applying the filter in the data related to that column.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry for interrupt. Actually, I have to leave now.
Yes,
So,
I'm going to select just 2 more minutes. I'll close the session.
so
Just
sorry
two
for
more
that.
minutes. Okay. Uh, thank you.
Mm.
And so one more thing which I need to see. If you want to clear all these filters at once, okay. you can clear all the filters at a single shot. You need to select entire filters row, and you need to go to the filters, and clear filters will be highlighted.
Okay.
Okay, with a single click, you are able to disable all your filters. Okay, so up to now,
uh,
yes, yes, tell me,
where
someone
is
are asking.
this? This is in home,
Yes, right, in home
toolbox.
in
Okay.
home toolbox. This is the default place.
Okay.
All the main options are regularly used options will be available at the home. In the home bar only you are able to see.
Okay.
So okay, the session is completed, but if you have anyone have any doubts
I have
related to
one doubt.
installation or something, you can ask.
I have one doubt, sir. So when we started the session, you mentioned the primary key word, right? So what is the primary thing which we can use here in this data, like
Order ID,
order ID,
and what is the
product
so now here
name?
product name.
Okay.
Because of this product name only, will contain multiple records for the one particular person. If I purchased in a one order, if I purchased 5 products, it will give 5 records.
Okay.
Okay, that is the reason here we are able to see.
No, what did you say? If if
For
we select,
example, I purchased 5 products in with one order, right? I'll select 5 products. I added those 5 products into cart. Okay, those 5 products combinedly considered as a one order ID
one
from
order.
me.
Yeah, okay.
Right? How those how the records will be differentiate on basis of products only, right? The same I only purchased, address is same, payment is done by me only, but the only differentiation is different products at here, different products and different prices for those, and different margins for those. Remaining all my personal information, delivery information, and all those things will be the same, right? In a one order, we are not able to arrange 2 delivery addresses. These 2 products need to come into this address. These 2 products need to come into that address. That facility is not there, right?
Yes, sir.
So up to now also there is no such type of that one order ID will come and collect at a one place.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the reason these duplicate records are going to these records are going to produce based on the product.
Okay. So product name will be the primary
Product,
key.
yes.
And also order ID.
And here one more thing. Product, for example, in Amazon, 1 lakh products are there, but customers are 1 billion customers. One product is purchased by one person, multiple persons purchase one product. You don't want to depend on the only product name. Why? Because pen will be there that you will purchase it by 1 lakh people. That pen is not a unique one, right? A combination of order ID and this particular product name. Okay, sometimes this will also misconception. Why? Because I'll order the 2 same products with the same order ID. Maybe you can purchase 2 umbrellas with the same order ID. At that time, the product name is the same. Order ID is also same. Price also will be the same. But what will change? Quantity will change.
Okay.
If you remember, you are ordering a food or you are purchasing any online groceries or beauty products. So if you are ordering 2 or 3 more, the count will be it will multiply with 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 when it's coming to the billing process. Remaining all the details will be the same.
Yes.
Okay, so now here our primary key is nothing but order ID in the high level. In the high level, if I want to say, otherwise there is no. So now 1 second. There is no primary key in this particular data which we are using now.
Okay.
Okay, primary key means it only uniquely identify only this thing. So okay, just here I'll try to create one unique primary key for this. For example, insert. Okay, I'm adjusting it. I'm creating A1. I'm just double clicking it. Okay, this is the primary key.
That will be linked with the order ID and all.
Sorry,
No, so
you forgot about order ID. Order ID is you can consider it as, but to identify a specific product and a specific
Primary.
order and all
Primary.
those things will be with help of the primary key.
Primary key. Okay.
Each and every record will contain unique primary key.
Yeah, got it.
Okay.